Hello, welcome back to our writing correction class. And as we can see, the next topic is for us to write is okay. The next topic for us to write is computer based. And let's look at this paragraph. When you look at the paragraph, you need to forget the topic sentence, the body of the paragraph, and the concluding sentence. That is how you scan to see the outline of the paragraph so that people are going to give you high scores when you write. Here, okay, when I look at this paragraph, I can find that the topic sentence of this paragraph is this one. Okay, this is the very first sentence of it. And this sentence is here, computers have helped us work and study faster. And the last sentence is always the concluding sentence. So let's check out the last sentence. From the word in general, okay, in general till the full stop of a fifth click. This is the concluding sentence. Very good. So in this paragraph, we can easily find the outline of the paragraph, and we can know, okay, we can guess the general meaning of the paragraph. So when you write in an order of parts in the paragraph, it's going to have the readers find the keys of the content very effectively. Here, computers have helped us work and study faster. This sentence is very good in grammar because you use the word have in the right structure. Have somebody do something, or have somebody to do something, or have somebody not to do something. So this is very good like this. Computers have helped us to work and study faster, or computers have helped us to, have helped us work and study faster, or the third way, computers have computers have helped work and study faster. That is the last way, like this, help somebody to do something, or help somebody do something, or help do something. That is the structure of the word help. This sentence is right in grammar, but it's not a perfect or a good topic sentence. Because when you write a topic sentence, you should have a general introduction about the topic that you are going to write. It's not like you just drop the keyword, okay, immediately in the sentence like this. It's not like a direct answer to the topic that you are going to write. When you convey a topic sentence, you just should introduce bit by bit about the topic that you are gonna write or say, but make sure that you will not use the keyword of the topic. And this topic keyword is computer based. Don't use it in the topic, okay, in the sentence to introduce the topic. So the introduction should be a little bit blurry and a little bit general and a little bit like curious, in order to make the readers want to know more about what you are going to write. And that is the introduction. And besides the introduction, you should show how many key points you are gonna illustrate in the body paragraph. So that is okay. Those are the ways for you to conduct a topic sentence. So in the topic sentence, first we should have a general introduction, no keyword. On second, you should have a demonstration of the exact number of key points. Like how many key points are you gonna write in the body paragraph, and what are the key points? You should give the names first. So that is how to make a topic sentence. So let's continue to the body paragraph. They make work easier and give us faster and more correct results. Very good sentence. There is knowledge that we just need to type in the search bar, and we'll get many results we want in a few seconds. It's very convenient. First, let's look at the sentence. It's very convenient. and the sentence before it, and we'll get many results we want in a few sentence. Seconds, you cannot combine the two sentences together with a comma. Here you should replace a comma like therefore or however or whatever word you can think of to connect these two sentences together. And will, see, and here and will, what is the subject of the word will? There is knowledge that, or people can understand like there is information that, there is a saying that. We just need to type in the search bar and yeah, what will get many results or who will get many results we want in a few seconds. It's very convenient. It is also used to store important information and can be used in many jobs, such as customer information, etc. When we write, we don't use etc. We shouldn't. It is highly recommended for you not to use etc. when you are writing, because this way can only be used by the professional writer or by the examiner. It should be used by the candidate. So when you write, like you can say that and so on, such as customer information and so on. But if you use the word etc or and so on, you should list down more than 2 points. Here I can only see one idea, that is customer information. That is the first mistake in the sentence. And the second mistake in this sentence, that is the comma. When you use such as, we don't use a comma before such as. If you use such as, it's just going to be like this: a subject, a verb, and an object, and then you directly connect with connect the word such, connect the phrase such as with the previous sentence, such as, okay, now 1, now 2, or now 3, or now 4, or now 6. Okay, it depends on you. And then just go on. Here you cannot use etc, because if you want to use etc, you should list down more than 2 key points. Here you only list, okay, the list of yours is only one, that is customer information. So when you have only one ID, don't use etc. And please remember, in writing, don't write etc. Please write and so on, and so on. All right. Okay, let's get back to the sentence. It is also used to store important information and can be used in many jobs. No comma. See, okay, we have no comma here, just a subject, a verb, and an object, and a direct such as. Such as customer information. Yeah, that is the end of the sentence. In general, working on computer is very convenient, but it can be hacked at any time. Someone will hack into your computer and take all our information. And that is one useful thing is we can send image files or text files to other people just a few click. Something is missing here. And all right, here are how many sentences can I see from your big sentence? First, I say this is the first sentence. Okay, this is the first one. I'm gonna put the color like this. This is okay, this is the second sentence. All right, this is the second sentence. Someone will hack into your computer and take, okay, this is the third sentence. This is the third one. This is the third one. And there is one useful thing is that we can something like this to click. This is the last one. So in this sentence, I can find 1, 2, 3, 4. I can find 4 small sentences in this big sentence. And please remember the rule. You cannot combine the 2 sentences together with a comma. And you cannot combine sentences together with no connection words. Here, okay, let's find out let's find out everything in this sentence. In general, working on a computer is very convenient, but Before but, we don't use a comma. A comma here is so wrong. So please, okay, please be careful what comma. You cannot use a comma at any time that you want. It has a role for you to use a comma. So here, subject verb, the first sentence and the second sentence are going to be linked to each other by the word but. But is going to stand in the middle of the sentence, okay, to link the two sentences together. So here, working on a computer is very convenient, but it can be hacked at any time. Here, okay, that is the end of the sentence, because you can see that but can only be used to connect the two sentences together. Here, you go on with the next sentence. So it's going to be a very long sentences. So right, okay. Let's get back to the sentence. In general, working on a computer is very convenient, no comma, but it can be hacked at any time. All right, and here, if you want to link the first long sentence with, okay, the next sentence, you should use something like this. This is a long sentence. For example, you should use something like which. Okay, which means that, or which is that. For example, people usually say which means that, and after that you can have, okay, another sentence, or which is that. Is here, after to be you use that. So after to be you use that. That is another way for you to begin a new sentence, like subject or object. Is it the second sentence of it? Second sentence of it. All right. In general, working on a computer is very convenient, but it can be hacked at any time, which means someone will hack into our hello. Here, you are talking about someone, right? And then somehow you are talking about yourself, and then you get back to us. So you need to be careful with the pronoun. The pronoun, okay, pronoun means okay, the way that you call people, or the way, okay, or who are you when you write, or who are you when you speak, right? So here, be careful. Someone will hack into our computer and take all our information, and there is one useful thing. You say there is one thing. Here, there is a subject, is a verb, one useful thing is an object. So subject, verb, object. We see, okay, the three parts of the sentence already, and this is a full sentence. You cannot put is, are, or another action verb at, okay, the end of a full sentence. It should be, okay, it should be what, who, what. For example, this is a full sentence, and you want to combine another sentence with the previous sentence. You should use who, what, that, where, okay, when, where, when. This is how you begin, okay, another sentence after the first sentence, right? Here, there is one useful thing, which is, but after to be, you cannot use a full sentence. After to be, okay, if you used to be already, and you want to use, okay, and you want to use a sentence after to be, you need to use that, okay? After that, you can use a sentence. Here, there is one useful thing. Here is a full sentence already. If you want to add another sentence after this full sentence, you should use something like this, which, who, at the end of the first sentence to begin a new sentence. Please remember this structure. And if you want to begin a new sentence after to be, you should use that. So there is one useful thing, which, okay, the word which we connect to big sentences together, which is we can send, no, is that we can send image files or text files to other people in just, okay, to text other people just a few clicks. A few is, okay, a few is like, it's going to be like this. After a few, you use now with s verb, okay, now with s. But let's look at the word click. Click here is a singular noun. You should make it a plural noun now with s. Please be careful. Let's read this sentence again to check its grammar and coherence. There is one useful thing, which is that we can send image files or text files to other people in just a few clicks, like you text other people in what, okay, in a click or in an enter or in an eraser click, for example. So here, very good for computer-based paragraph. Very good.